Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing Walmart beauty box video. I never tried Walmart beauty box. It'll be my first time, so we're gonna open it together. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is how the box comes. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know exactly what's in it. Ooh, okay. So let's open it and see what we got. Oh, nice. That's what I needed. A Chic Intuition Fab Razor. And it's full size. I love these type of razors. Not bad at all. Perfect. Okay, let's do it. Banana Republic Icon Fragrance Collection. There's a little sample of a Banana Republic perfume. Hopefully it smells good. If I could open it, that'd be nice. Wait. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Not bad. I might need to actually buy this. It smells so good. Oh. Nice. A Dove Dry Spray Deodorant. You know, they come taller. I guess I never seen it this small. Super convenient. You could store it in your purse. Not bad. So cute. Look. Okay. This is by Hard Candy. It's a primer. Okay. I never heard of Hard Candy. Is it new? I don't know if it's new. Lip gloss. Fun fact, I am obsessed with lip gloss. Like, everywhere I go, I have to come out with a lip gloss. Like, I have a whole collection. So this lip gloss is by NYX. It's like a brownish kind of. It's really nice. I like this. I don't know if you can see that. But it's like a light brown. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna be using this. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm gonna use it. Next we have Nivea Coconut. Oh, body lotion. Sample, I guess, is a new scent that they have. They have different kinds. They have orchid and argan oil, cherry blossom, vanilla and almond oil, and this coconut one. I actually like Nivea lotions. They're so good. They smell good. Pretty last long. Definitely we'll try this out. Alright, so that concludes the samples that came, and then they just send you like little flyers about what you got. This is about the perfume. These are all the ones that they have. This is the flyer for the NYX. So that's the one that I got. You can see that. Okay. So it's not bad at all. I like this box, and the best thing about it is that the sample box itself is free. All you have to pay for is shipping and handling, which is $5. So they send it out 4 times a year. I forgot what month exactly. So I got the January box. I know January, February, March, October, something like that. I'll put it in the description box below. But they send it out 4 times a year, and you pay a flat rate of $5. every, like, the 4 times that they send it, which is not bad at all, because as you can see, they send really good samples with good name brands. So I will definitely look out for the next box and enjoy my fan posts, because I love it, and they're full-size things, which is very convenient. So I recommend it, and I think that you guys should too. So that concludes my video. So have a good day, and I will see you guys next time.